Hey there folks, it's your friend Dave Ramsey here to talk about a topic that's near and dear to my heart, financial freedom. We all want it, right? That feeling of security, knowing you're in control of your money and your future. Well, today, we're going to dive into a fascinating world that could hold the key to unlocking that freedom binary trading. Now, I know what you're thinking, Dave, trading isn't that risky? And you're right, it can be. But like any tool, when used correctly and responsibly, it can be incredibly powerful. This isn't about getting rich quick, it's about taking control of your finances and building a brighter future. This course is your roadmap to navigating the exciting world of binary trading. We'll break down complex concepts into bite-sized pieces, giving you the knowledge and confidence to trade strategically. We'll cover everything from the basics to advanced strategies, equipping you to make informed decisions and potentially achieve your financial goals. So buckle up, get ready to learn, and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Are you ready to take control of your financial destiny? Then let's dive in. Okay folks, let's break down this whole binary trading thing. In the simplest terms, it's like making a prediction. Imagine watching a football game and betting on whether the next play will be a run or a pass. That's the essence of binary trading. You're predicting whether the price of an asset, like a stock, currency, or commodity, will go up or down within a specific time frame. If your prediction is correct, you win a predetermined payout. If you're wrong, well, you lose your initial investment, simple as that. But here's the catch. You're not buying the asset itself, you're simply speculating on its price movement. Think of it like a yes or no bet on the market's direction. That's why it's called binary two possible outcomes. Now don't let the simplicity fool you. Binary trading requires careful analysis, strategy, and a good understanding of the markets. But with the right knowledge and approach, it can be a powerful tool for financial growth. Stay tuned as we unpack the essential elements of this exciting trading style. Alright folks, ready to roll up your sleeves and get started? Before you jump into the exciting world of binary options trading, you need the right tools. Think of it like building a house. You wouldn't start without a hammer and nails, would you? First things first, you'll need a reliable online broker. This is your gateway to the markets, allowing you to place trades and manage your investments. Look for a broker with a user-friendly platform, a good reputation, and strong security measures. Next up, charting software. Imagine trying to navigate a new city without a map. That's what trading without charts is like. You need clear visuals to analyze price movements, identify trends, and make informed decisions. Finally, don't underestimate the power of educational resources. Books, online courses, and even YouTube videos can be invaluable tools in your journey to becoming a successful binary trader. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the world of trading, it can also translate into profits. So equip yourself with the right tools and resources and you'll be well on your way to mastering the art of binary options trading. Now let's talk about the different flavors of binary options. Just like ice cream, there's a variety to choose from, each with its own unique characteristics. First up, we have the high-low option, the most basic type. Predict if the price will finish higher or lower at expiry. Then, there's the touch-no-touch option, predicting if the price will reach a certain level. We also have range options, predicting if the price stays within a range. Remember, diversification is your friend. Section 5, Fundamental versus Technical, two sides of the same coin. Now, let's dive into the heart of making smart trading decisions analysis. Think of it like detective work, where you're gathering clues to solve the mystery of where the market is headed. We have two main approaches, fundamental analysis and technical analysis. They're like two sides of the same coin, offering different perspectives on the market. Fundamental analysis is all about looking under the hood. You're digging into economic data, company earnings reports, industry trends, and even geopolitical events. It's about understanding the big picture forces that can impact asset prices. Technical analysis, on the other hand, focuses on the charts. You're looking for patterns, trends, and signals within historical price data to predict future movements. It's like reading the language of the market. Which approach is better? Well, it's not a competition. The most successful traders often use a combination of both fundamental and technical analysis. It's about getting a well-rounded view of the market, considering both the why and the what behind price movements. Section 6. Winning strategies, making smart trades. Alright folks, let's talk strategy. Just like a football team needs a game plan to win, you need a solid trading strategy to succeed. One popular strategy is trend following. It's like riding a wave. You identify an established trend and try to profit from its continuation. Another strategy is news trading, capitalizing on market volatility from economic announcements. This requires quick reflexes and understanding market impacts. Then there's the contrarian approach, betting against the crowd. It's riskier but can be rewarding. Find a strategy that aligns with your personality and goals. Experiment, backtest, and refine your approach over time. Remember, trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Section 7. Risk management. Protecting your hard-earned money. Now let's talk about something that's close to all of our hearts. Protecting our hard-earned money. In the world of trading, this is called risk management, and it's absolutely crucial for long-term success. Think of it like this. You wouldn't bet your entire life savings on a single coin flip, would you? The same principle applies to trading. Never risk more than you can afford to lose on any single trade. A good rule of thumb is the 1% rule. Never risk more than 1% of your trading capital on a single trade. This helps to limit your downside and protects you from blowing up your account. Another essential aspect of risk management is setting stop-loss orders. These are predetermined price levels where your trade will automatically exit if it moves against you. It's like having an insurance policy on your trades. Remember folks, trading is not about getting rich quick. It's about managing risk effectively, protecting your capital, and growing your account steadily over time. So, prioritize risk management, and you'll be well on your way to achieving sustainable trading success. Section 8. The mental game, keeping a cool head. Let's talk about the most important muscle in trading, your mind. You see, trading is as much about psychology as it is about strategy and analysis. It's about mastering your emotions and making rational decisions, even under pressure. One of the biggest challenges traders face is greed. When you're on a winning streak, it's tempting to get overconfident and start taking unnecessary risks. Remember, pigs get fat, hogs get slaughtered. Stay disciplined and stick to your plan. Fear is another powerful emotion that can sabotage your trading. When you're facing losses, it's easy to freeze up, hesitate, or make impulsive decisions. But remember, losses are a part of the game. The key is to learn from them, adjust your strategy, and move forward. To master the mental game, practice discipline, patience, and emotional detachment. Develop a trading plan, stick to it, and don't let your emotions cloud your judgment. Remember, a calm and focused mind is your greatest asset in the trading arena. Section 9. Binary Options, Success, a Recap. Alright folks, we've covered a lot of ground. Let's recap the key takeaways from our journey into the world of binary options trading. First and foremost, remember that knowledge is power. Invest the time and effort to understand the basics of binary options, different trading strategies, and the importance of risk management. Choose the right tools for the job, find a reputable broker, familiarize yourself with charting software, and leverage educational resources to enhance your trading skills. Develop a trading plan that aligns with your risk tolerance, financial goals, and trading style. Whether you're a trend follower, a news trader, or a contrarian, having a plan is crucial for consistent profitability. And finally, remember that trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, stay disciplined, and focus on making consistent gains over time. Don't get discouraged by setbacks. View them as learning opportunities and keep striving for improvement. Section 10. Additional resources. Keep learning and growing. Now, I know what you're thinking. This is a lot to take in. And you're right. Mastering binary options trading takes time, effort, and continuous learning. But don't worry, I'm not going to leave you hanging. There are tons of amazing resources out there to help you deepen your knowledge and refine your trading skills. Look for reputable online courses, educational websites, and even trading communities where you can connect with fellow traders and learn from their experiences. Remember, the more you learn, the more confident and successful you'll become as a trader. So, embrace the journey, stay curious, and never stop learning. Section 11. Your journey starts now. Well folks, that about wraps it up for our crash course on binary options trading. Remember, this is just the beginning of your journey. Take what you've learned, apply it diligently, and never stop striving for improvement. The world of trading can be challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding. With the right knowledge, mindset, and a whole lot of hard work, you can achieve your financial goals and secure your financial future. So, are you ready to take the reins and embark on this exciting adventure? I believe in you. Now go out there and make it happen.